You alright up there? Don't fall. You in the pink. I'm watching you. How you doing in the middle, you okay? You look great in the light, by the way. And what about you lot on the floor? You good? Sweet. So, we're going to stick around for a little while. The next song we're going to do, you might know it. This is Lightning.
You're in control, pressing pause on my heartbeat. Sing! I feel as though my time has come. Yeah! How many times do I fly through the space? Now it's beaming away from a safe place, yeah. The skin, the touch, the kiss, the rush, too much, and here it comes. It's the kiss of life. I know that it's a little bit funny. We might as well be playing with lightning. It's a time, like it's our first time. I know that it's a little bit funny. We might as well be playing with lightning now.
Here we go. How you doing? Yeah, it's pretty good. Hello to everyone at home as well. There's people watching us right now on like TVs and stuff. Yeah, yay for TVs. Chair, right. The next song we're gonna do is it's more of a romantic song, and because I'm single, I need to find someone. So I want to show a bit of love. And you know what? Tom did it in rehearsal and it got steamy. So we can't have Tom doing it. You know what? Kevin's not gonna like this because he knows I'm going over it.
Go on, Nathan.
Nothing personal.
Mate, can I choose one?
Eh?
Can I choose one?
Yeah?
So I've seen this little girl there.
Yeah?
Yeah, come on.
Right. Friends are coming. Everyone's coming.
These two here.
Come on.
Yeah, you come up as well. All three of you come up.
Right.
Can we get 2 more chairs? 3 of them. Can we get 2 more chairs from
Let's get some
somewhere?
love.
So,
Go to Kevin. Go to Kevin. Go to
the
Kevin.
plan
Go to Kevin.
was just to
Right.
get one of you up, but we couldn't separate these girls, so girls, all 3 of you are up.
Because honestly, I saw these girls, and they've got, honestly, when you see them, they've got t-shirts, it's so cute. I don't know. But, yes, so here we go. Yeah, here we go.
Yeah, you see it.
Yeah, so this is where we're going to show love. Come here.
That's it. It's towards. Perfect.
Should we start the song?
Let's do it.
Come on, let's do it. This is Heart Vacancy. Sing along. Come on.